In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a Zoom meeting step by step. Whether you're setting up a quick meeting or planning something more formal, this guide will help you get started confidently. Let's begin. First, open the Zoom desktop application on your computer and make sure you're on the Home tab. This is your main dashboard where you can start meetings, join calls, and manage your schedule. If you don't see it immediately, look at the top or side of the app and click on Home. Once you're on the home screen, find the New Meeting button and click on it. As soon as you do this, Zoom will instantly start a new meeting and bring you into the host view. At this point, you are officially the host of the meeting, even if no one else has joined yet. Don't worry if you're alone at first. This is completely normal. The meeting is live, but participants will only join after you invite them. Right after the meeting starts, Zoom may show a small window asking you to confirm your audio settings. This is where you select your microphone and speaker. Choose the microphone you want to use, whether it's your laptop's built-in mic or an external one. Then select your speakers or headphones so you can hear others clearly. If you plan to use video, make sure your camera is turned on and properly positioned. Try to place your camera at eye level and ensure your face is well lit. Good lighting and clear audio can make a big difference in how professional your meeting feels. Now that your meeting is ready, it's time to invite others. Go to the bottom toolbar in the Zoom window and click on Participants. A panel will open on the right side of your screen. Inside that panel, click on the Invite button. A new window will appear with different invitation options. The easiest method is to click Copy Invite Link. This will copy a direct link to your clipboard. Now you can paste that link anywhere, email, WhatsApp, Telegram, or any messaging platform, and send it to the people you want to join your meeting. If you prefer, you can also choose Copy Invitation, which includes extra details like the meeting ID and passcode. This is useful for more formal invitations. Once you've sent the link, keep your meeting open and wait for participants to join. As they arrive, you can greet them and start your discussion. Here are a few helpful tips to improve your hosting experience. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions. If you have a waiting room enabled, be ready to admit participants as they join. Also, mute your microphone when you're not speaking to reduce background noise. You can also use other Zoom features like screen sharing, chat, and recording during your meeting to make it more interactive and productive. And that's it. Hosting a Zoom meeting is simple. Just open Zoom, start a new meeting, check your audio and video, and invite others using the meeting link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.